Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I thought I would do a autumn makeup inspired look, maybe with a bit of a vampy lip. This year I've really embraced autumn. I can't wait to have a bit of a darker colour on my eye, wrap up warm, be all snuggly, ready for winter. I'm embracing it this year. So yeah, I thought we'd start autumn off with a little autumn makeup look. I think today I'm probably going to be using the ABH Modern Renaissance palette just because it's got quite a few nice like browns and purpley shades that I think I want to use. So my base makeup is on. I've also primed my eyelids with this Jordana eye primer and it's pretty horrible. First things first, because I'm actually not prepared at all, I am going to do my eyebrows because I forgot. So I'm just going to go off camera quickly, do them, and then I'll be right back and we can get on with this look. So my eyebrows are on. I just thought I'd show you kind of up close if I can what this primer's doing. Can you see how it's all just gone like really bitty? It's weird. Don't like it. Starting off, I'm just going to go into Tempera and just put this like everywhere, all over the lid. Wish I'd never put the primer down because nothing's going on top of it that nicely. I think it's going to look all lumpy. Frustrating. Moving on. I feel I look really pale today. I'm gonna take, my hair is falling out so bad. I'm gonna take Bon Fresco into the crease as my transition-y shade. I'm gonna tap in. I love these Spectrum brushes, they're so soft and they blend, they just do everything well. They are nice brushes. I feel this colour is like the light purple colour that you could probably just do all over your lid, wax some mascara on and it would look really nice. I am now going to dip into Love Letter and take it on a smaller brush. Actually I think I might use this one. The Spectrum A12 or A12 or however you want to say it, and I'm going to put that into the crease and focus it on this outer corner. I am just slightly trying to stamp it on to that outer corner first, just to get the colour on, and then I'll blend it out. And I'm just coming in about 3/4 of the way into the eye, not all the way to the middle. To the inner corner even. I'm just going to take that first fluffy brush that we went into the Bon Fresco in and just slightly go over these edges very softly. Just realised why my face is looking so weird. It's because I forgot to put any highlighter on. I need to do that. Okay, so that's on. Then I'm going to go in with some of the Venetian Red and just focus that even more on this outer corner and just slightly up into the crease. Blend. And then I think just to add a little bit more dimension, I'm going to go in with this Morphe brush, it doesn't have a name, and I'm just going to dip into Cypress Umber and put that in the very outer corner just to give it a little bit more depth. But we're only taking the tiniest bit and then really make sure you tap it off. And then go back in with that brush, the fluffy brush we used at the beginning, and blend again. Now we've just got this middle bit of the lid that I want to put, thinking this. I'm not going to do a proper I'm not going to do like a cut crease. I'm just going to, I think at the moment, try and take it on my finger and just kind of press it. So you're just bringing it just over halfway along, between the half and 3/4. So it's on, but I still want to take a flat brush and go back into that I just dropped a load of my brushes. And just go back into that Primavera colour and then spritz it. Seriously, my hair is everywhere. And then spritz it with a bit of MAC Fix Plus. So I'm just going to go into it, and I'm going to make sure this week that my palette gets moved out of the way so I don't spritz all over it. Just whack it with a bit of Fix Plus and then just go over the top. And don't rub, just kind of dab. Once again, go in with Love Letter on that Spectrum A12 that we were using, and just a tiny bit, just to literally go over them edges. And then back in with the Spectrum brush with the Buon Fresco and just blend. Perfecto. And then back with the Love Letter on this brush. I'm just going to run it along my lower lash line, but only to about, once again, kind of line it up with the top about 3/4 of the way in. And then back in with our fluffy brush into Buon Fresco, and let's just blend that bottom lash line out. Then I've been really loving my Sofa X Revolution highlighter palette. So I think for the eye look, I'm going to go in with this shade here. I don't know, but this shade in the inner corner and on the brow bone. Actually, I haven't tried this shade, and it is pigmented. It is blinding. But I think I'm actually going to go into this shade on my cheeks as well. On my cheeks? You know what I mean. Loving it. I don't care if anyone thinks I wear way too much highlighter, because I love it. So I'm now going to go off camera quickly and put on my mascara. Maybe, I don't think I will put on lashes. I'm going to go put mascara on and I'll be right back. Okay, so I've literally just applied, no, not applied, literally just put some mascara on. I use the Benefit Roller Lash, it's my favourite mascara, and then I just put some of the NYX Jumbo Liner in Milk in my waterline, and then last thing to do is to apply my lipstick, and I think I'm going to go in with this Jeffree Star lipstick in Human Nature. It's just like a dark purpley brown colour, and it is beautiful. It's kind of the perfect vampy shade on me. So that is this makeup look completed. If you did like this video, please be sure to give it a big thumbs up for me, and if you are new and you've never watched one of my videos before and you liked what you saw, please be sure to press that subscribe button and click the little notification bell. I don't really think it does anything, but click it and see. And I will see you in my next video. Bye guys!